Good morning, guys. I am in the 32BHS Cougar. It is a 2025 model on special for $56,995. You will not find a bunkhouse like this. It is very spacious, beautiful, even has a fireplace. But we're going to do a walk around. I'm going to kind of show you exactly what this unit comes with. I'll show you all the storage inside of it, and y'all tell us what you think. Starting off strong, we do have amazing storage in our TV mantle. Look at that. It comes with 3 drawers, one here, there, and there. We also have an amazing fireplace if you don't want to use your propane furnace. This will heat up the coach quicker and faster than ever before. We do have 2 beautiful recliners. It also lights up, which is awesome. Also, you have some lights underneath the recliners. And who says you can't have a little bit of luxury with vibrating and heated seats? You also don't have to worry about your phone going dead, because look at there. We have hidden compartment that has hookup for like a wall plug, and then also your USB, which is great because not everybody has that power plug. Holy moly, look at this beautiful oven. It is not your average oven. It is very deep, and also you can probably fit a roast in there. 3-burner stove underneath the sink. Look at there. Who says you can't put a little bit of stuff under there? All that is plenty of space. If you're worried about any kind of storage in here, don't be, because you also have drawers here, plenty of them. And then also we have great size drawers here as well. Look how deep those are. You could fit pots, pans, outside stuff for the kiddos. You would not go wrong in this coach. Look at this beautiful dinette though. It lights up. And again, we have storage. Look at that. Slides right in, and you don't have to stick your hand all the way through to turn around and try and pull everything out of there. Also, this will convert into a bed. Let's walk into this bathroom. So if you're using this coach just to go for a day at the beach, look at there. Door inside the bathroom so you don't track any sand or anything of that nature. Beautiful, beautiful sink, plenty of space. And not only, you have a space for storage again. Also, you can put your toothbrushes, toothpaste, any kind of everyday medicine in there. Who is looking? I mean, I tell everybody, there's not a lot of units with bathtubs, but this one has one. Look there. Also, you have a removable shower head, especially if you want to wash them doggies or kitties or any kind of pets that you have. But then the bunkhouse. Look how big that is. This one will also convert into a bed. It will be a jackknife sofa. And if you're not using this top bunk, no worries. We can lift it up and hook it right in there, and it will be out of the way. If you just want to watch some TV, which also is a setup here. And look at there, more storage. And the kiddos can also have their own drawers for their clothes, shoes, books, toys. Name it, it can go in there. We also have some more storage in this bunkhouse. Look there. It is so crazy. This unit has not sold yet because of the amount of storage. Bunkhouse with a slide. Also a slide in the living room. Look at there. And also has a bedroom slide. Look there. And again, this unit is on special for $56,995. Let's go upstairs to the master. Look there. More storage. Wardrobe. So in this unit, the wardrobe will be a slide to give you a little bit more extra room to get inside that bed. Again, more storage for anything that you need. Storage above the bed, and also you have, I call it a t-shirt closet. Everybody calls me crazy for saying that, but there you go. More storage. Also, if you have any CPAP machines or anything, not a problem. You have end tables on each side, and you can definitely plug them up. But this is my favorite part of this unit, is it comes with a half bath. I don't know about y'all, I am a mom, and sometimes kiddos, they make a mess. So I like to have my own bathroom, and you can do that here. You can put your hairstyling tools, makeup, or anything in there. And guess what? The best part, more storage. Look up there. Hey! Look at there. Another place to store toothbrushes, toothpaste, medicine, anything like that. And here is the bigger view of the living room, kitchen, living room. Listen, you would have a ball in this unit. All right, guys, that was the 32BHS Cougar 2025 model. And the weight of it is about 9,400 pounds. Why not come check it out? We will give you all the information to help you make that well-informed decision. My name is Dana, and our crew in the sales department wants to help you find that perfect unit. Come by and check us out on Montgomery Highway here at Bama RV.